Okay, you have seen the pic. Yes, my friend, I got this bag into my collection. I got the Longchamp 3D Handbag S in the tobacco color in my collection. Yes, we need to talk. I told you in one of my videos that during the winter sale I have bought a bag. It was this bag and I'm telling you, I do not regret. I know it's the same color, the exact same color as my Longchamp 3D Crossbody bag here, this one, that I love to death and that I found on sale during the summer sale. And during the winter sale, I have found this one. This one is still produced by Longchamp. It retails at, if I remember well, 915 American dollar or 690 euro, which is quite expensive, honestly, for a small bag. Let's be honest, even if I do admit the leather of the 3D line is just insane, mine, I use it a lot and I have no scratches, nothing. It's super resistant and so soft, so I love it. I really love the leather of this line. And this one, I found it at an amazing deal. I got it half price. Half price, my friend. I found it in a store. It was the last one, so that's maybe the reason why they wanted to get rid of it. I paid for it 345 euro. So when I saw it, I have never made any mystery because I have done a short review concerning this bag when it was launched, and I have always told you that I do love the style. I do think it's a cute bag. And when I saw it in the store, even if I saw the color and I thought, wow, it's again tobacco, but when I saw the price, I have not hesitated. Honestly, I haven't hesitated. I buy it because yes, it's a cute bag and I wanted to give it a try, honestly. And at this price, the risk was not too much. So here's the bag. I will write the dimension. It's a small top handle bag. You've got two top handles. It is gunmetal hardware. As you can see, the bag comes like my crossbody one with a full leather strap, which is adjustable and removable. I just have one thing that I forgot to mention for my crossbody bag. Longchamp, if you hear me, could you please provide a little piece of leather here, just, for the extra part of the leather, to tuck it like this and avoid that this part is making like this. Just this. For the price, I do think Longchamp you can do it. I will find a solution, but I do think it's sad for the price, do not have it. Point. Inside my bag, you will be amazed by the capacity of it. It's really crazy. I'm going to show you. I've got all this, and I can tell you here, I still have place to put my sunnies. So here we are. So I'm going to show you. I've got my Kipling banana because I love it. I love it so much. It contains my lip balm, hair clip, and so on. I got it every day with me. I love it. I'm really crazy about it. I got my Foulonné pink, strong pink wallet, double zipped. And as you can see, it is really bigger than my compact wallet, but it fits inside. Honestly, I will try with my Continental Longchamp Foulonné wallet. I will insert, I do not know, right here or at the end of the video to try with my Continental, because for the moment I just try it and my compact one. But you see, it really fits without problem. Of course, I do have document for my car. I have a notebook, a small one, but it's not so crazy small, so a traditional one. I have my cash buddy because also from Kipling I'm crazy about it. I love it. And I got my Foulonné paprika pouch. Please, Longchamp, once again, provide us back this one, this little pouch foulonné, but also the pliage one. We love them so much, and they were so practical. Inside I've got my pens and some other things for my eyes and so on, some bandage. They are great, Longchamp. Please provide us back these pouches. And voila, so we have one main compartment. On one side, you see, we've got a zipped pocket. Honestly, I just put sometimes feminine product inside. Today I have nothing except the Longchamp tag, but the size, it's not a big one, but it's correct. You can fit things inside. And on the other side, you have two flap pockets here, and most of the time I am placing tissues in it. So here we are. Here is the bag. Most of the time I'm wearing it like this or like this. Even if with a jacket, it's okay. You see, you have some space. I am also sometimes using the strap. I can wear it like this. And I do think it's because the size of the bag is small. I am not bothered, by this on my body. It's okay. Honestly, it's okay. And of course, you can wear it crossbody without problem. I do not regret for the moment my purchase. Of course, I will keep you updated with the warranty in the coming month. But for the moment, I do not regret my decision to go for it and tell me, yes, okay, why not? It's half price. I have never seen this bag on sale. Just the XS was on sale, and I haven't seen any S on sale. Please write me if you have seen some S size on sale in your country, in your area. But for me here in France, I just know that the XS was on sale. I'm super happy to have found this deal. Okay, it's again tobacco, but honestly, I love so much my crossbody tobacco, which match every of my outfit. And I do think it's a nice color. Depending on the light, it changes. You see, it's natural light here. It appears a little bit, brownish, a bit honey. But if I got more light, it's more beigey. So it's a funny color, tobacco, really funny color. And I love it. I do think it's not a nude color, but you can wear it with any other colors. Thanks for watching this video. Please write me in the comment section if you got this bag in your collection, if you are interested by it. I can tell you that for the everyday, it's a nice bag. You have seen the capacity, you can fit a bunch. It's not heavy. So if you just want to take it top handle without the strap all the day, it's possible. Honestly, I can tell you the weight is really great. What I can tell you, of course, I would never have bought it if it was full price. I just got it because the deal was amazing. But yes, I'm sharing with you today my winter sale purchase, and it was a crazy surprise. I can tell you, I was really surprised in the store. My friends, that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks to all my subbies who participate. Thank you so much. If you are new here but you love my content, please subscribe to my channel. It's free for you, but for me it matters a lot. Till the next video, take care, I love you, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.